Hello everyone, today I want to play some Mortal Kombat X, also Injustice maybe, and let's get started. As the screen loads up, it's pretty, I just like this game very much, so it's one of my favorite games. So, after this, Mortal Kombat and Injustice go on the same place, Warner Bros, you know that. So this loads up. Alright, and we're not playing Mortal Kombat X, it's a pretty good game, but yeah. Just wait here till this loads. No wonder this is taking a long time. I didn't really do this. Bum, 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 bum. Now it's starting. Alright. I'm not sure if the Shinnok challenge is out yet, but let's see about that. So, I had this game since the Liu Kang challenge came out. I've been playing with Liu Kang. He's my best character. And I obviously got a lot of money from the generator that I use on the internet. The generator and the Mortal Kombat generator.com, I use that thing. It's like so good. If you guys can use it, it used to be possible. Well, yeah, we'll see about that, but starts. See, if you guys want all this jacked money, just go on the Mortal Kombat generator.com and it'll bring you to that page and type your stuff in, and then you get it. And this is gonna be this, alright. Let's go with this one. Level card. Good enough. So I'm in here right now. Oh crap. Alright. I'm gonna play some Faction Wars. Probably yes, but who knows? It's because this one I haven't changed anything yet. No, but no. Still sad enough. I completely forgot my train of thought. Oh yeah, I did. Go to profile. I'm gonna go look at my console logs for a minute. I did mostly everything in there. Except for mobile console. Alright, guys. I gotta bring this to us, but alright, not that bad. Alright, today I'm gonna do a gameplay of Mortal Kombat X, and let's see if there's Faction Wars are enough. Right, it's just my team. I might get wrecked because I don't even use these people a lot. Actually, no, I'm not gonna do Faction Wars. I'm gonna do battle mode. Some random matches, you know. Talk about this won't do well, but yeah, it would be. Let's find my Dark Raiden. Where is he? I thought he's one of my biggest characters also. I'm gonna level him up even more now. Alright, he's a lot stronger. So great now. Alright, we're gonna do some battles. Okay, let's get my people in there, my best people in there. Alright. I'm gonna start doing the last one. I already beaten it, so for you guys, I'm gonna do it again. Well, I'm gonna do half of it. So, oh, hold on. I can't see my team. I'll do one a year. Let's do this battle, guys. See, I have a new update to this game, and then you can do, like, you can ally with your people on the internet. It's pretty impressive, but see if I can find my brother in there. My brother, and I'm not sure, God. Let's go for Mob Master. Alright, we're gonna start this match, Annie. That's it for this. Pretty good. Line it up. We're sucky. Sorry about the lag, guys. My device is used to laggy. I'm used to it, so sorry about that. Okay, that was a big fail. Ah! Eh. No. Frick. Wait, I was talking to Raiden. Power Dreaming, bro. Sucker. In your face. Face the rat. Finish up with a trick shot from Rob Master. Sure if he'll kill her, but... Ooh. He didn't kill her yet. She's gonna die right now. If you guys have noticed that there's a new update coming, came out. A lot of new stuff. Challenge pack and everything. I went to India and I'm just kidding, I didn't want to go to India yet. I'm not sure about this. No. I told you the best characters involved. I was gonna do 3 matches here and then 3 matches in Injustice, and I went in the video. Sorry about that. It's a little bit of a program for the milestones coming up for me. Yeah. Do 2 more matches and I'm gonna end this video. I'm going to Injustice next, but yeah. Dun 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 dun. Alright. Just gonna be good for it. Oh, come on, I could have blocked that. Face the wrath. Face the wrath of me now. That's just not Crow. That's so fake. Like, that's impossible unless you have talent, though. Oh! Crap. No! People suck. My third round, I'm gonna swap the Dark Raiden with my Thunder God. Some other best characters. Let's see how you go. Alright, I'm gonna swap out Dark Raiden with somebody else. Swap him with Thunder God Raiden. He's gonna have a good guy. I like. There you are. Alright. Again, this match. Last match. Now I'm gonna go on Injustice. Oh, come on! It's what like Thunder God Raiden. He can like only tag in, he takes out 10% of his health. Pretty good. Let's end this guy. Oh! Crap! Face the wrath. Haha, my Liu Kang gotcha. Alright. You know what? I'm just gonna do this battle for you guys. Then I'm gonna go on just and do the battles there. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna immediately tag in Raiden. And then instantly tag him 20% off of him. Pretty cool. Right now my brother is playing a console of mine. We're so blockheads. block. Eh. I don't know what the do not provoke a what? Let's end this guy. Die now. You may die now. Of course. Oh. Excuse me. Oh. What is wrong with this? Hey. Alright guys, now we have ended this. I'm not gonna end this yet. Forgotten Justice. Alright. Justice time. Justice time, everybody. He also updated Injustice, also. Just gonna do it for fast. Alright. Let's make it slow. I'll be back after it loads. I'll be back after it loads if you guys didn't hear me. By the way, I'm back. The new Batman vs Superman came out about like on Thursday, I think. Yeah, it came out Thursday, and I already watched it. It's a pretty good movie. I'm not gonna spoil or anything. It's a pretty good movie. That's all I'm gonna say. And that Dawn of Justice people are on this Dawn of Justice, and it makes it a lot better. I already have all of them. I already completed all the challenges. I have Dawn of Justice Superman, everybody. Alright. Let's do that. I'm not gonna spoil it for you guys. Yeah, let's do Dawn of Justice Wonder Woman. You guys want to know about that? Alright. Crap. Come over here. And I just got the argument code. Just gonna put it on. I'll give it to. I'll give it to who's weak. Let's get it stronger now. Alright, survival mode is not charged. And let's just do some online. Gonna load or what? Try again. Let me try again. Connection error. Let's try one more time. Just got to work. Okay, so I messed up now. Doesn't even work. Yeah, it's a big failure. Can't even tap on it either. What is this, big lag? Oh, I have plans. Alright, I'm gonna go on survival mode, even though I have to wait for a while. So, I'm gonna do mini battles as I can with my best people. And, well, this is the best way to get higher during the things. Use one of your weak characters first. Sure where they are, but... with my Raven and Arkham Batman. Here we go. Nope, I must have passed him. Here he is. Begin this. Oh! That was close, you guys. Very close. Be careful. Now to Beacon Awful. Even when you talk, even when you not even talk. Let's go for this today, even when you go for now. Even now, even go for even day, even go for even. Start. Frick. Oh, beat the face of my wrath. I'm only gonna do one run of this. 6 hours with my storage data. So after the survival mode, I'll stop. It's gonna end anyways. Ended. Alright, everybody, we have finished the battle. Alright, I'm gonna stop the match now. Stick starts my data. Alright, I'm gonna head back and see you there for the next video, everybody. Take care.